Alexa, tell Morse Coder to start exercise.
Attention. Tell me your guess.
Repeat.
This is your code. What does this code mean?
The word is less.
Excellent. That was correct. Your score is 4. Do you want the next Morse code?
Sure.
This is your code. Spell or tell me the word.
Cream.
Excellent. You got it right. Your score is 9. Do you want to continue with another code?
Go on.
Listen closely. Spell or tell me the word.
Next.
Here you are. What does this code mean?
Next.
Here we go. Tell me what you heard.
Sudden.
Gosh, answer is right. Your current score is 15. Are you prepared for the next code?
No.
You made 6 attempts to solve 3 out of 5 Morse codes. That's a final score of 15.